All right, Bryce, how are you today?
I'm doing great.
Good. Have you had a good day?
Yep.
Good. Well, we're going to be starting a new unit this week, and a lot of what we're going to be learning is about opinions and how we can take our opinions and make them powerful in our writing. How does that sound to you?
Sounds good.
Good. But today I want to start off talking a little bit about what is an opinion and the type of different opinions that we can have and how we tell those opinions to different people. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to start with a few things that I like, some opinions that I have. One thing that I really like is chocolate. Okay, I love chocolate. When I'm sad or when I want a treat, I usually think about chocolate, and that's because I think it's sweet. I love the way it tastes. It makes me happy. So that's one of my opinions, is that chocolate's a really good treat. But I know other people that don't like chocolate. You know, they'd rather have something sweet. You know, like Skittles or Laffy Taffy, and that's what makes them happy. What kind of treat, in your opinion, is the best treat?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. So what are some reasons why you like ice cream?
It's cold. It's tasty. It's sweet.
Mm-hmm. So that makes ice cream your favorite treat.
Mm-hmm.
So I've got a few things here that I want to show you that we're going to talk about which one you like better and what opinion you have, okay? So I've got a banana here and I've got a clementine here. Have you had both these before?
Yep.
Okay. So in your opinion, which fruit is better?
Banana.
The banana. Okay. So what makes this banana the better fruit?
It's healthier for you. It's easier to open.
Yeah.
It's most bananas taste good, but occasionally you get bad clementines.
That's true. Have you ever had a bad clementine?
Yep.
I have too. Well, I liked your opinion. Although in my opinion, I think the clementine's better. Do you want to hear my reasons?
Mm-hmm.
I love the clementine is sweet, and it's little, so you can take it with you, so, you know, a snack to go.
Mm-hmm.
And I actually like peeling it. I think it's kind of fun. Mm-hmm. So in my opinion, the clementine is the better fruit. All right, let's do another one. How's that sound? Okay, I got two taffies here. One is a chocolate flavored taffy, and one is a peppermint flavored taffy. Okay? In your opinion, which one is worse? Which one don't you like?
I don't like either, but
you don't like either of them.
Probably the peppermint's worse.
Okay, so what makes the peppermint worse in your opinion?
Because I got sick off of peppermint flavor one time. I don't like it.
So now you just you don't like it. I get that. In my opinion, I think that the chocolate one is worse because I like chocolate, but I don't like chocolate taffy. I think if you're gonna have chocolate, it should just be chocolate.
Okay.
Okay, one last thing we're gonna do is, because we are talking about opinions, but mostly opinions in our writing, I have a book with us.
Okay.
Dragons Love Tacos. Okay? We're not going to read this book. We're just going to talk about it a little bit. And this book is about how dragons, their favorite food is tacos. Now, what's your opinion about tacos?
I think they're good.
You think they're good? What are some reasons why tacos are so good?
Because they have a lot of different flavors.
Mm-hmm.
They have carbs.
Carbs are yummy.
Mm-hmm.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I like tacos too. I love that you can build them on your own. You know, you can put the meat and the cheese and the tomatoes. I love that they're small. You know, you can have quite a few of them, and they're easy to make. That's why I love them. So this book is about why dragons love tacos. So just like how we just gave some reasons, in this book it gives some reasons as to why it's their favorite food.
Okay.
So, have you ever had to write an opinion paper before?
Mm-hmm.
You have. Good. It's important to know how to write opinion papers because we want our readers, when they're reading our paper, to know what our ideas are, you know, and what we stand for and what we think is good. So there's an easy way to remember how to write our opinions, okay? And one way to remember that is through, I'm going to show you a paper here, through the writing tree, this one. So, as you can see, we've got different steps that spell out T-R-E-E, or tree.
Okay.
Okay, so what do you notice about this tree here?
It's got the leaves.
Mm-hmm.
It's got the trunk. It's got the roots.
Now what's this little person doing?
He's looking at the roots.
Yeah, he's looking at the roots and also just at the whole tree.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm going to explain to you what each of these letters, the T-R-E-E, stands for,
Okay.
and how we can use them to write our powerful opinion papers. Okay, so the first one is T. When I'm writing an opinion paper, I think that T stands for topic sentence. Do you understand what a topic sentence is? Have you heard that
It's
before?
like the main point.
Yeah, it's kind of like the introduction to what you're going to be talking about. So when we talked about like the banana and the clementine, you know, your first sentence was, I think the banana is the best fruit. That's your topic sentence when you're telling the audience what you believe. So what does the T stand for?
Topic sentence.
Topic sentence. Great. Let's go on to the R. The R stands for the reasons. Okay. Usually when we are stating our opinion, we like to give at least 3 or more. So that's why when I asked you about what fruit you liked, you were able to tell me, you know, a few different reasons why you liked that fruit. Just 1 second. And in the picture, you saw how our tree had roots in it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, those roots, you can think of the reasons are like the roots because they support the trunk, which is your topic sentence, the main part of your opinion. And then the roots are what support it and give the reasons why you think that. Okay? And our next E, our first E stands for the ending or your closing sentence.
Okay.
And that's when you wrap back up what you've been telling and you restate your topic sentence. And that's kind of like the earth that spreads all around the tree. You know, it surrounds the tree and it holds it in. It like wraps the whole thing up. So what does that E stand for?
It's the ending.
Perfect.
Wraps the whole thing up.
Uh-huh. And then our last E stands for examine. So if you look at the picture of the boy, he's looking carefully at the tree with a telescope, making sure that all the parts are there. So what does the word examine mean to you, Bryce?
It means that you should take a look at everything that you've written and make sure you have all the parts.
Yeah. What else can we examine outside of our writing? Like, what's something you've examined before?
You can examine, like, different insects.
Oh, exactly. I like that. You know, in your science class, maybe you've learned about, like, different animals or insects. And you take time to really look at them and learn about all the different parts. Well, like this boy here, how he's examining the tree, that's what we should do with our writing. We take time to make sure we have all our different parts to our opinion paper. So what does the E stand for?
Examining all the parts.
Perfect. Okay. Do you think you're kind of understanding that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go through it again. So the T stands for the topic sentence. What does the T stand for?
Topic sentence.
Perfect. The R stands for our reasons. And how many reasons should we have?
3.
3, exactly. Yes, or more if you have more reasons why. And what was the R like in our tree? Do you remember?
It was like supporting the topic sentence.
Yeah, if you think of R, reasons, and roots. It's like the roots that hold down the tree trunk. The first E stands for the ending. That's where we wrap it all back up. So what does the E stand for?
It stands for the ending.
Mm-hmm. And our second E stands for examine. And what are we examining?
You're examining the whole thing.
Perfect. Okay, now I want you to try to tell me these different parts without me giving you clues, okay? So what does the first T stand for?
Topic sentence.
Perfect. What does the R stand for?
Reasons, 3 or more.
Mm-hmm. And what does the E stand for?
Ending.
Ending. And what does the second E stand for?
Examine.
Examine. Perfect, Bryce. So today we've learned what an opinion is and the different parts of writing an opinion paper. So tomorrow for our lesson, what we're going to do, we're going to read a book and we're going to examine an opinion paper and pick out all these different parts, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Good work today.